I'm Cesc and I'm going to show you how you can become an inventor with this easy trick. The first you have to do for make this charger that works with a battery, you have to open your car adapter. Then you've got this piece. We need scissors or pliers, a battery. It has to be from 8, and the connector of the battery, the car adapter, and the interpiece of the car adapter. Now we've got this after opening this. In this cable, I'm going to save it because we will need later. And we need another tool, the silicone gun. Now we have to open the car adapter with the scissors of the pliers. Then we have this piece. It's very important to save it because then we will need it to make this invention. Then, with the hot silicone gun, we have to put these cables as the same color as they are. We have to stick it with the hot silicone gun. Tension with the silicone gun because it's very hot and you can it's very difficult this. You can blow so it dries quicker. Finally, we have to connect this piece to the battery, and then we have these two cables from the cable that we saved before, and we have to connect it. We have to connect this cable to our phone, and it's going to work. And the invention is finished. Now you are an inventor. Now try it yourselves and what happens.